Well, good morning. Welcome back to an update on the ACiQ unit. I heard a noisy noise the other day. And I'll show you what I heard. Okay. There we go. Okay. See this right here? Somehow this foam got disconnected and got caught up in the fan, and the fan disintegrated. So let's take a look around. See a little moisture down there. Everything looks pretty good here. I get some separation of the insulation right here. Alright, hold on a second. Okay. That needs to be taped and stuff. Alright, let me get that out of there. Okay, hold on. Yeah, okay. So, this is going to need to be redone. It's going to need to be taped up sooner than later. So that creates this seal along here. Goes along that edge. I was able to retrieve the foam bits that have been taken off of here, chewed up by the fan, and as far as I can tell, it didn't throw it out of alignment. I don't see any damage to the fins or coils. Okay. Everything still looks pretty clean. And yeah, there you go. Hold on a second, I'm actually set. Okay, what you didn't see was me peeking in here and tucking stuff so that it lined up. Same thing over here. So we'll see if the foam holds up. Okay, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Love you later, bye.